Okay, on this little trip, going to a country very few people know about. It's a country where people are very proud to be from there. To let you know what a great country it is when you get there. So this is going to be my next adventure. So I'm at the airport. It's like, I don't know, Thursday at like, I don't know what time it is, 6:30 in the morning. So to spare you all the details of just running around the airport, this is going to be it. Made it. To me it was 2 hours, to you it was 2 seconds. But I made it. Anybody guess where I'm at? Stand by and I'll let you know. Okay, I finally made it to my final destination. I'm not telling you what it is yet, but here's a little hint. Sure, I'm going to get a lot of people going. Texas isn't a country. Well, 100 years ago it was. And I think most people in Texas still consider the state its own country. But people here are extremely proud of their state. I'll let you know exactly how cool Texas is. Take a little stroll around Dallas. I always feel like somebody's watching me for some reason. Maybe it's because I have a camera in my hand. Hell, I don't freaking know. Just can't figure it out. If you guys have any idea. I don't know. Let me know. Just feel like everybody's watching me. Maybe I'm just paranoid. Fuck it. Who knows? Okay, next stop, since this has been all over the news since Donald Trump declassified the documents. We're going to head down to where JFK was shot, hopefully stand right on the spot.